No worldwide DC, no worldwide DC. Yo, 841, your worldwide pistol, 841, your worldwide pistol, wherever you got now. 307, where?
Well, I don't know if these old SJs are getting there or not. They may or they may not. I don't know. What's going on, DX land? Your 01818 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Schmeal. Beavis, here it goes again. Schmeal alert. Worldwide audio. Schmeal alert. Worldwide audio. Schmeal alert. Schmeal alert. Schmeal alert. Hold up. Schmeal alert. Take care.
I heard 420 in there, and I heard Pistol say smear alert. I don't really know what that is, but Mr. Grib, good evening time, buddy, and 420, good evening time to you too, bud. Sounding good down here in Tennessee. 018 Beavis right into the Watergate.
Shotgun. 4 Boyle. Beavis, Beavis, that 919 coming out of Tennessee got a mall on my radio. Hey, Beavis, hey, Beavis. Hey, Beavis. Schmeal alert, Brooklyn, New York, your worldwide pistol, 11 minutes old, got down. Coming out of the BAM, got a mall in my...
Smear alert. Pistol said smear alert. Pistol, you got Mother Nature right now, Pistol Grip. Hey, Pistol Grip, you got Mother Nature down here in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Wow, Beavis, don't forget Beavis. You got the most beautiful Mother Nature, and take him out of your radio. Hey, Beavis, while you rolling that gate, you say he's got Mother Nature. Hello, donkey, Stomper, Beavis. New kid. Shocker, Mobile.
Hey, 420, you come in there, and also somebody else come in there with Shocker, Mobile, or something, come in there real loud. 420, yeah, you did it, man. You come in there, 420, 018, Tennessee Beavis, rolling that gate.
Oh, boy, hey, Beavis, man. 05. Hey, Beavis, I don't know if you can get it back to me or not. I can hear you up in there, but boy, oh, boy, that 841's making it rough, and real rough on everybody. Tennessee, good evening time, 841 in the Big Band, 420 New Jersey, rocking the mail. Oh, just Superman, New Jersey.
Oh, 841's got a big old hammer. 841's got a big old hammer. You give 841 to little Mother Nature, and he runs that big hammer, and he's going to do it to it there, Bray.
New Jersey. Hey, Beavis. Hey, Mr. Beavis. Hey, Beavis. He said he haul punches. Hey, Beavis. Beavis had my radio tore up. I heard at the beginning, Beavis said 841 got a big old hammer. He got a little bit of Mother Nature. He's going to be a tough contender. But right along in now, I guess Beavis got a little bit more Mother Nature. 420 New Jersey, reading the mail.
Hey, 420, it's all about Mother Nature, man. I seen a video gate the other night. 841 just walked all over me, and then I seen a gate the next night where I walked on him. It's just a Mother Nature thing, man. If you got Mother Nature, you got it. If you ain't got Mother Nature, you ain't got it. That's just the way it is. That's the way it's going to be, whether y'all like it or not.
Yes, man. Beavis, 1207 in the Keystone waving. Video gate sky high. See that DC? Everybody 41 hard punching. It don't mean a thing if they got that swing. Your worldwide pistol got down.
Pistol Grip said it don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing. That's what Pistol Grip said. Oh, Pistol Grip said it don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing. 018 Tennessee Beavis letting you know down here at Donkey Stomper working this pile of HGs waving a hand.
Beavis, hey Beavis. Oh, now that's quite funny. That's quite funny. A donkey stomper stepping on the donkey stomper. Tennessee's going crazy right now. Yo, I got 2 donkey stompers in Tennessee. Yo, like these Superman, 2 donkey stompers made in Tennessee. Oh, I love it.
Well, I didn't know there was another donkey stomper on the mall. I didn't know there was another donkey stomper on the mall, but there's a few of them out there. I don't know, maybe one of my neighbors over here keying up. I can't hear him if he is. Maybe one of my neighbors over here keying up. If he is, I can't hear him. I heard somebody in Pennsylvania hollering for Beavis, and I can't hardly get your numbers. I keep hearing you say, hey, Beavis, in between the keys and stuff, but I can't get your numbers. But whoever that is in PA is 018-018, Tennessee Beavis, waving at you, buddy.
Donkey Stomper in Tennessee. Hey, Beavis, you're worldwide. Beavis, you got another Donkey Stomper in Tennessee. Worldwide. Hey, Beavis, you got another Donkey Stomper in Tennessee. Stopping in and out, man. Swear to you. Hey, Beavis, you getting kicked when you roll off. You don't stay too.
Hey, I've got 4 or 5 donkey stompers around here, big old boxes. I don't know who it is. It's probably Rabbit or 557 or 672, one of the three. I can't hear them. I hadn't heard them yet, but I'm listening in. 018 Tennessee Beavis, reading the mail.
Man, you better not touch that mic ever, dude. Wait till you hear your audio in this game. Oh, baby, the power of the video. I'm gonna sit back in the cut, man.
Yeah, I worked on my audio there, Pistol Grip. We worked on my audio. I think I've got it a little better, man. It should be pretty decent anyway right there. Maybe you can understand me okay and everything there. Break.
I know you did, man. I hope you did what I told you about taking that hiss in your ear and bringing it as low as possible because, yo, it sound beautiful, dude. Yo, Beavis, wait till you hear this video made. Yo,
Yeah, well, I appreciate it, Pistol Grip. You got Mother Nature right now in Tennessee, Mr. Pistol Grip. He's had it real good down here. 127 Pistol Grip, and I've got the video gate rolling. Let me make sure, yeah, it's still recording. I got the video gate rolling, so I got you a gate where you can hear what you sound like, Pistol Grip. 018, letting you know.
Head them all down, shotgun. Hey, what about it? Around New Jersey. When they start calling us Beavis and Mudhead, this is hey, Beavis, you're worldwide. Hey, Beavis, lower, goddamn.
He said your lowest IMAX. Your lowest IMAX is doing that deal. I hope you're all having a good one up there, man. It's rough and tough out there. It's crowded this evening. Yours 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
That's right. We're trying to make it rough and tough over there, man, but I like it that way. Hey, what about it, Superman round New Jersey? Hey, what about it, Superman round 455?
Superman in New Jersey. Superman in New Jersey. Hey, Superman. Superman, you're sounding good down here in 10, buddy. Hope you're doing all right. 018 Tennessee Beavis, waving at you, Superman, New Jersey.
65. Man, can you say 455 Suburban? Tennessee, can you say 455 Suburban? Hello, 018 455.
We had a 455 Suburban there that time. Hey, 455 Suburban. Mr. 455 Suburban, you're sounding real good down here in Tennessee. 018 down here at Donkey Stomper, letting you know, buddy.
And just 855 in the Carolinas. 018 B455 Suburban.
455 Suburban, 455 Suburban. Hey, 455 Suburban, we're trying to get through this pile up, man. It's rough out there. There's a bunch of big radios on the air right now, man. There's a bunch of big strappers out there. All we got to work with is a little bitty pile of HGs down here. But you're sounding good, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Oh, man, you know, I always appreciate them. Oh, you need me, I'm... Ooh, look at that right there, right there. You're 118, Superman, down there in the Big Bam.
I heard a Superman. I heard a little Superman, a little more Superman in New Jersey. Superman, New Jersey. Hey, Superman, you're sounding real good down here in Tennessee, man. Hope everything's well and swell your way. 018 Tennessee Beavis with a wave. Enjoy your road dog. He can get his radio call. Hey, road dog, Grip said he had kryptonite for Superman in New Jersey. Pistol Grip said he had his kryptonite out for Superman in New Jersey. You better watch it, Superman. Pistol Grip's got the kryptonite out. 018 Tennessee Beavis passing a 5.
20. today, man, just like it was. Hey, 018, tell that 127 when I don't key up, he can hear you there, are you? Superman, New Jersey, bye-bye-bye.
Hey, 127. Superman said when he don't key up that I could hear you. Superman said if he don't key up that I could hear you, 127. I kept your 5 alive, Superman, 018, letting you know.
455. I'm in Morris County, New Jersey. Passing that 5 there. When I say the same thing, when I'm in Morris County, New Jersey.
Tim Ford, tell him to wait till you're in New Jersey. I don't know, Pistol Grip. Superman's loud, but you're holding your own with everybody, man. And the video gate don't lie. You just have to watch this gate, Pistol Grip. You're right in there with everybody. You're holding your own, man.
Excuse me, Beavis. A018 Beavis. Excuse me. But when I key up, you don't hear Superman or 127. Crush. He got Mr. 018 Beavis. But when 148 Crush keys up, you don't hear Superman or 127. Crush is gone.
Well, I've got to talk to my radio. Right then, it was 148 Crush. He just come in here and dropped a big old blanket over everything. 148 Crush. What's going on, Crush? You're sounding good in Tennessee, Mr. 148, 018 waving.
Waving right back, my friend. 018, I'm waving right back. Top of evening time to you. Sound a whole bunch of good up here in the boogie down Bronx like you usually do. This is 018 Beavis. Oh, 148 Crush. Afternoon time, evening time, wave, and I'm stepping back. Bum, bum, bum. Yo.
Alrighty, 148 Crush, you're doing it down here like you always do it, man. You know how you do it, and I've got it on the video gate. The video gate don't lie. Mr. 148 Crush, sounding good down here in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here in Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Real good copy. Real good copy. Evening time to the rest of the band. You guys, 841. Boogie down Bronx.
Virginia, Chesapeake Bay.
Bristol, 455 Suburban, 455 455 Suburban, 455 Suburban. Got down. Now,
455 Suburban, 455 Suburban, 455 Suburban. Hey, 455 sounding good in Tennessee. Once again, my friend, 018 letting you know.
Yeah, Mr. Road Dog, top of the evening time to you. Mr. Road Dog, Road Crush, back on the key. Hey, hello, Crush.
I'm going to have to call the damn dog pound. I didn't see it coming. I'm going to have to get the dog pound to come down here and pick up the dogs off the CB radio, 018, letting you know.
No more 148, no more plain station. 148 Crush, Superman, New Jersey, stomped on them, bye-bye-bye. Out there, big.
Superman, I got you that time. Superman, New Jersey, it was all you that time, 018, letting you know.
455 Suburban, Superman. Hey, man. Superman, New Jersey, bye-bye-bye. Uh-oh, 55 Suburban, all up in the video gate. You're worldwide on your drive. Pistol back out.
Pistol go bang, worldwide, Pistol Grip, lowest IMAX in New York. You got Mother Nature down here in 10-018, letting you know.
Good afternoon, DX Land, 455 Suburban, got down.
Pistol Grip, getting on down in Tennessee.
Tennessee, you can on your seat, all right. Superman, get back on Superman, bye-bye-bye, 55.
Hey Superman, say 018, Superman 018, 018, Tennessee. Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
I'm sorry that I messed up his water gate. 018 Superman, New Jersey. Bye.
Superman, I got you on the Watergate. Superman, I got you on the Watergate. Superman, you're all over my Watergate. Superman, New Jersey, you're all over my Watergate down here in Tennessee. I'm letting you know.
If you're rolling the gate, radio cut off. If you're rolling that gate, Mr. 018 Beavis, here I come. A little bit of radio cut off. A little bit of boogie down Bronx crush on to give Superman a little bit of kryptonite. Here I come again. 018 Beavis. I'm coming with the kryptonite. Oh, crush, back quiet.
Hey, Crush, you just took over my video gate down here in Tennessee, man. It's Crush Talk Show on my video gate, 018, letting you know.
018. Yeah, Roger. I don't want to tie it up. You know, I just want to see if he knows where he stands. That's all I'm trying to do. Trying to put a little bit of placement in his big old radio. It's all about the antenna. Mr. 018 Beavis, 018 Beavis, and more 018 Beavis. It's all about the crush evening time once again, and I'm stepping back.
Sorry, Mr. Crush, I appreciate it. I think I heard my buddy Smarty Jones, New York, in there, too. Smarty Jones, did I hear you, Smarty Jones, in New York, in between keys there? If I heard you, Smarty Jones, 018 with the wave. Hello, 21 Delaware. Hello, 21 Delaware. Mr. 21 Delaware, your 018, your 018, 018, Tennessee Beavis with a wave.
Oh, dog, man, please, you sounding good. Superman, New Jersey, man. Bird, that's right. That's the old school bird, man. I like hearing that.
Worldwide, Donkey Stomper in Tennessee, getting on down. I heard a 119 Superman, New Jersey. Heard a 119 Superman, New Jersey. I guess that's just Superman. He was hollering at 119, maybe. Superman, I heard you that time, 018, let you know.
Waving a hand, take care. God bless them. Kryptonite. Kryptonite, baby, I got down.
Pistol said kryptonite. Pistol grip said kryptonite. Pistol grip said kryptonite, and he got down, 018, passing the 5.
Why kryptonite?
I heard worldwide Penny Snatcher. Hey, Penny Snatcher in Pennsylvania. Penny Snatcher in Pennsylvania. I heard you in there, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis waving at you, man.
Come at it, Road Dog. Hey, Road Dog. Hello, Penny. Hello, Penny Snatcher. Hello, Penny Snatcher in Pennsylvania. If you're listening to the 018 Watergate, if you listen to the 018 gate, Mr. Penny Snatcher, crush with the wave, bum, bum, bum. Hello, 018 Watergate, 260 North Carolina coast, wave.
Hello, 260 North Carolina. Hello, 260 North Carolina. You're sounding real, real good down here in Tennessee. Mr. 260, your 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
018, it's working.
Well, y'all, I've done about 15, 16 minutes here of damage on this video gate. I'm fixing to get off here and shut this thing off. I don't want to let the old road dog, that's 20 minutes actually. You know, I'm going to let the puppy dog get across the road. I'm going to get off here, that way the puppy dog can get across the road safely. I'm going to get off the radio so the puppy dog can get across the road safely. So y'all have a good one up there. We'll catch you later. I'm going to load this gate up and get off here and let everything cool down. 018 Tennessee Beavis, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, take me home. Bye. Bye, Mr. Beavis. Have a good evening, Mr. 018 Beavis. Crush, waving, bye. And I'm back quiet. Right here,